Hello everyone. I am Avatar AI for Frank Liu, the top agent from Silicon Valley Results team of Alliance Bay Realty. Today we will tour San Jose Tracts at Orchard Park, developed by the New Home Company. Over here we see the rendering of exterior of building. Orchard Park is a thoughtfully designed community of 239 homes in the Berryessa district of San Jose. The community is located near the intersection of Old Oakland Road and East Brokaw Road, 2 miles east of San Jose International Airport. Adding to its appeal, Orchard Park is in close proximity to the coming Berryessa Bay Area Rapid Transit BART station, which will provide convenient access to key employment centers in both the Silicon Valley and San Francisco. In what is believed to be unique to a New Home community in San Jose, New Home engaged a Feng Shui master to consult on the land plan and product design to ensure the community achieved a true north-south orientation and embraced other guiding principles. Orchard Park by the New Home Company wins Community of the Year at 2015 BIA Bay Area Excellence in Home Building Awards. Orchard Park includes numerous landscape parks and open spaces, a promenade and a residence clubhouse, all designed to enhance the living experience for residents. Walking paths connect to nearby markets and restaurants, providing homeowners accessibility to shopping, dining and entertainment. Open floor plans, walk-in closets, and generously sized kitchens are characteristic of all the homes at Circuit. Circuit was built to both Energy Star registered and Build It Green guidelines, and include WaterSense registered labeled faucets and fixtures, meaning they are designed to be more energy and water efficient and can potentially save homebuyers money on their monthly utility bills, as compared to other typical new and resale homes in the area. 3 neighborhoods, each comprised of distinct home designs. Towns. Courts and flats are offered. Towns are stylish townhomes with up to 2,123 square feet and with a focus on south-facing buildings. Courts feature open floor plans with maximized natural light and limited shared walls with up to 2,243 square feet. Flats offer single-story living in up to 2,147 square feet with private elevators. Homeowner associate due is around $300 per month, and it covers common area electricity, insurance, common area maintenance, common area management fee, roof. Over here is one of floor plan. Here is another plan. Let's take a look at the site map. Here is the chart to demonstrate the latest comps in the tracts. The average home price in this tracts is around $700 per square feet. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Frank Liu. Here is the introduction of Orchard Park, San Jose. If you have any questions, call or email me at any time. 408-828-0600 and frank.lee1268@gmail.com. Thanks.